Oh, today as the Kotlin or Java or Python. Python. Python or Java. Yeah. And in the because the last company, I'm working these two, Kotlin and Python. Okay. Oh, could you repeat please the Python? I didn't. Okay. 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 The focus is the backend developing API and driven architecture events. Okay, don't focus in the AI. Focus in make the APIs, make the scalables monolith, scalables microservices, handle the million events for day. Okay, but don't focus in the AI. In my experience. Yeah, very good. This the technical challenge. I'm use Python because in the my graduation I'm use more a lot Python. Okay. Uh, for me, I'm comfortable in the back end. Okay, but in the very experienced in the full stack. But I'm prefer focus in the back end and lead the team. Okay, in the another colleagues the front end for me guide the code review, the define the features, but for me don't uh, like coding for front end, but I can I can management the team with the front end, but I comfortable the back end and the full stack. Okay. Oh, my experience is the AWS cloud. Okay, I use the RDS for the Postgres database relational SQL. I use the SKS, SNS for the event-driven architecture. I use the system management for management the keys environment, the application. Use the AKS for the deployment. Use Kubernetes and the scalable application. S3 for storage the files. This. Oh, I have experience in the both because in the today I have the 20 Microsoft use the SQL use the Postgre, but in the last company I own the Microsoft use the NoSQL, use the MongoDB. I'm management and the uh, make the solution for the millions events for today use the MongoDB. Então, I have NoSQL or SQL. Okay. CI/CD tools. I'm wanted the I'm use the GitHub. Okay, for GitHub for the management the code for the make the PR review the PR merge the PR and for the continuous delivery and make the build the run the lint run the test after test okay. trigger the deployment automate. Então, use the GitHub and feature specific the GitHub Actions. Oh, Gen 9 machine? I don't understand. Okay, machine learning, I'm experiencing the integration, the OpenAI, okay, OpenAI, and another my experience in the learning the project with my master degree. Not in the application, okay, but I learned the master degree for the optimization, the my research. Okay. Uh-huh. Good. Okay. Okay, yeah, very important. Okay. One moment, I'm open to this. What is the method for using a virtual DOM in the front-end framework? Okay. The for the advanced, they use the virtual DOM in the example. The framework uses this React.js is because this possible the re-render the components in the new components in the interface uh, dynamic. Okay, because this before this is what necessary reload all the page for the creating the all components for the use the virtual DOM enable the re-rendered and change the component when they use the example single page application on the client side. Oh, what? Okay, okay. What the more commonly use the front manage package in the front end is npm node package manage because this is the more common because the node is the for the stack the JavaScript. Okay, is the while the management is the management the package necessary in the project. Example, we need install the library of React.js. Do you management package? Do you npm install React? Okay. Do you need the validation the form? Do you npm install WIP? Do you understand? Do you need the API lib? Do you npm install Axios? Axios, okay. For this is simplify the the developer. Mm, what is the lazy loading in the context web development? The lazy loading, João, is the when when the example, uh, the page have the more a lot components or more a lot information. The existing the table, the list the user. Okay, the user exists the columns, the name, the emails. For when you load the all user is very strong for the application. When the example, do you load the 1,000 user for one time? Okay, do you don't like this because it's time is uh, very very hard. Okay, for this do you implement the loading? Do you enable? Do you uh, lead the 10 pagination for the user? Okay, 10 user, 20 user. Okay, got this. Okay. Oh, this is the uh, security. The your application will don't time the application because don't have rate limit. Do you can the enable the DOS attack example for the downtime in your application? Uh, Webhook, okay. Webhook is this the normal solution, the web application. When do you normally in the backend, okay, the backend open the specifically an API for the another backend communication this API for the trigger another notification, another integration the my backend. Example, when you use user need the payment the product in the e-commerce, generate the in Brazil is QR code for the payment and the QR code. When the user payment this purchase, the backend, for example, Mercado Pago, another bank, trigger the my backend using the webhook. Uh, ah, okay. So because yeah, I'm okay, okay. Because in the React there is hook, but yes, webhook is okay, okay. No, I'm correct. I'm correct. Uh, okay, sorry. In the interview, and API Gateway. API Gateway in the common solution in the when you use exists the multiple services, multiple backend. Okay, for the API Gateway in the feature for the solution for handling the request and redirect the request for correctly service. The yes, in the AWS example is the existing the solution for this. I don't necessarily implementation the backend for these features. AWS provide the solution. Example. Oh, this question is not not common. This my feature is oh, repeat please. But I don't. I think this. Oh, uh, today my motivation is the conflict in my career, but in my family. Okay, sim, my I the balance in the work and in the family. Okay, então my I very happy in my position in the senior software engineer. Uh, yeah, I'm my future in the 5 years. I like the senior software engineer or spec software engineer, but don't directory engineer. Okay, the CTO. No, my 5 years. I'm good. My yes, yes. CLT in Brazil. Okay. Yeah, I open for this because I like this. No, no, because the Brazil the CLT exists in the limit for the okay. The, yeah, today I'm CLT, but I want PJ. 6,000 month. The ideal, but I'm open the negotiation. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. 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 Uh, I, I want I want I open the calendar in the three 3 week 3 weeks. Repeat please. Oh yes, in the my vacation this is August 2 week. August.
And the idea is to complete the test in the following 7 days. The whole test will take less than an hour to be completed. Shouldn't take longer. Once you complete the test, we are going to be inviting you to have a software engineering interview to assess more your experience. So that's going to be the process for us. Once we have the interview with engineering, we are going to touch base to discuss on compensation contract and next step, because usually the next steps after the technical interview is meeting with the client, which is going to be the last step of the process. But let's start with the take-home assessment. If you feel comfortable, I can send you the link today, and you can work on the test in the following 7 days. What do you say?
Oh, I don't really understand the what next steps, how much steps?
Yeah, we have the take-home assessment is the next
Step management,
step. Is
okay.
take-home assessment. Then we have an interview, one for front-end and one for back-end. That's gonna be
Okay.
on our side as a company.
Is the
And the
online?
last one,
So online or in the platform?
online.
Challenges?
It's gonna be
Online.
through
Okay.
Zoom.
Okay.
Okay. And the last one will be meeting with the client, which usually the last step of the process. So we have 3 additional steps after today: the technical assessment, the technical interview, and meeting with the client. That will be the additional 3 steps in the process. Okay, Gerson?
Okay.
Okay, cool. I will send you the link to the test later today. I need to clean up my notes, but that will be everything from my side for today. Not sure if you have any questions or any other comment for today's meeting.
Okay. Don't question.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you for meeting with me today, Jersey. It was a lovely conversation. I will follow up by email with the next steps. And in the meantime, if you need anything from me, feel free to reach out as well. Okay.
Okay. Good job.
Awesome. Have a wonderful day. Take care.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Bye.